Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so APC Rivers is standing strong behind this petition, which we are at the tribunal right now and pursuing the case to regain our mandate as APC Rivers and Tonye call for the governor of Rivers State. So we're here in the court pursuing this, and we're not going to relent until the end of it. Every statement coming out of Rivers State through one faction that calls themselves, I don't know what they call themselves, some new APC, is not a recognized faction of APC, not at the national level nor at the state level.
So what's your reaction to APC withdrawal from this petition?
It doesn't bother me because as a candidate, I stand on my own capacity. I ran also as a candidate, ran under the flag of the APC, and I can defend my right at this tribunal, which is exactly what we're doing.
But some of the argument people have put forward is that there's nothing in the Nigerian law that permits independent candidates. What do you say to this?
That nothing in the law...
There's nothing in the Nigerian constitution or the electoral act that permits independent candidates.
No, it's not. I'm not an independent candidate. I'm a candidate that ran under the APC, and I am defending my right as a candidate that ran under the APC to defend the right of to defend that right in the tribunal, and that's exactly what we're doing.
So your assessment of how the tribunal has gone so far?
So far, I'm happy with the way it's going. I have no problems with it thus far.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.